shun formal feedbacks. If the objective of obtaining feedback is to get more number of customers or more visits of a customer to a service organization, then why do you ask a feedback wherein you are asking the customer to rate the services from poor up to excellent in 10-point scale, or 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, up to 5 star? On the contrary, straight away ask the customer as to what would make him or her to visit the organization once again or buy the product once again, more times. This type of feedback is straight. Matured youngsters don't ask the opposite party as to whether the t-shirt is good. They would straight away ask, do you love me?